Need to update your payment method on DoorDash? In this video, I'll show you how to change your payment method in the DoorDash app. So, let's get started. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen, then select settings from the available options. Now, tap Payment Methods to view your saved payment methods. Here, you'll see any credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or other payment methods linked to your account. To add a new payment method, select your preferred payment option under the Add Payment Methods section. Next, enter your payment details, then tap Save to add the new payment method. Your new payment method is now set as the default payment method. If you no longer need an old payment method, tap the Edit option, then tap the trash icon to remove it and confirm the deletion. Your updated payment method will now be used for future DoorDash purchases unless you choose a different one during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment method on the DoorDash app.